If you want to clone WhatsApp on a Google Pixel 9a, you can use the private space feature, which is an alternative to some dual app features that you may find on other devices. Essentially, you want to go to settings, scroll down to security and privacy, and then over here go to private space in order to set it up. And then press setup, and you should be able to quickly create the private space. You might need to sign into a Google account in order to proceed, because private space is like a separate environment that we have in our phone, which contains completely different data that we have outside of the private space. So in this case, I'm gonna sign in. And after that, you have the option to even create a separate lock, a separate password for the private space. That is especially if you care about the privacy. So of course you can do that, you can follow these instructions. In my case, I just want to duplicate the app without worrying about additional passwords or something. So I can use the same password as I use for the screen lock. And let's wait for the setup to be done. There we go, let's press done. And now you can scroll down in the app drawer in order to find the private space over here. Tap on this lock in order to unlock the private space. There we go. Now over here we can press install. We will open the Play Store and let's search for WhatsApp. There we go. As you can see, we can install the WhatsApp. It says install instead of open because this is the Play Store from the private space, which is once again a separate environment. And there we go. Once you install it, if you go back to the app drawer, you will notice that, for example, I have 2 WhatsApps. And of course, this WhatsApp has different data than this one. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!